What's up, guys? It's Jake Fry, the car guy, here in beautiful, ever sunny Statesboro, Georgia, and we're bringing you a look at the 2021 F-150 LARIAT. Now, this LARIAT that we have on hand here today is the four-wheel drive FX4 off-roading LARIAT. It's going to get you anywhere you need to go. On this LARIAT, we've got the Toyo RT open country tires. Some of my manager Steven Staten's favorite off-roading tires to throw on a capable Ford vehicle like this. Coming around to the front, we've got your front hooks, your front LARIAT grille. We've got 360 cams, so you're gonna see cameras there in the front and in the rear. We've also got front sensors as well as fog lights in the front. And we've got the remote start feature as well as the remote tailgate feature equipped on this 2021 Ford LARIAT. Now, something new that Ford offered in 2021 on the LARIAT package is the beloved power deployable running board. So we're gonna see that here on our F-150 LARIAT. This is a new style of power deployables in which this kick button here is actually going to activate and deactivate the deployable running boards. That's such a smooth feature. Ford is always taking it one step further for us. Coming around to our rear here, we do have the work tailgate on the F-150 standard in 2021. We've got a chrome tipped exhaust. We've got a tow package as well as rear sensors. This is the 3.5 EcoBoost engine, which is going to tow 14,000 pounds in the Max Trailer Tow Package 2021. This is a powered tailgate, so you're going to see that here. Drops down so cleanly. And we're, of course, familiar with both the clamps, the tailgate workspace, and the drop-down, step-up tailgate here from Ford. We've got the Line X, that's a local business spray-in liner here. It's weatherproof, it's fantastic, and it comes with a lifetime warranty. We've got our charge points, that is 120 volt charger, and our LEDs top and side, as well as a power equipment package, and that's going to give us that beautiful powered back glass, get that air flowing as we're rolling down the highway. We're running around the country in our Ford. Let's get into the interior, guys. Coming around to the interior of our 2021 F-150 LARIAT FX4 package, you've got the LARIAT interior with our leather heated and cooled seats as well as a heated steering wheel. We see those options beautifully displayed in our center stack here. We see a dual glove box standard on the 2021 F-150. This truck has already been turned on with our remote start, so just a push of the button goes ahead and activates all of our great features, our center stack, our productivity screens. The 2021 LARIAT we have on hand here today is equipped with the dual twin panel moonroof. Touch of a button, goes back smooth as can be, getting light all the way back to the youngins in the back, the grown folks, whoever's riding with you. These back seats are super capable. They fold all the way up. You can see under here, we're actually working out of this truck today as you can with your own F-150. So we've got our laptops on board. This comes equipped with the Bang & Olufsen sound system. We're not gonna play any music today because of copyright, but if we did, you'd be blown away. Touch of a button here is going to activate our shifter, which comes up. You've got, of course, your select shift on the side of your shifter. These drive modes with the 2021 F-150, we've got 2 high, 4 low, and 4 automatic, which is a newer feature as well. Slippery modes are covered, deep snow, sand, mud rut mode. We've got our rock crawl mode all the way to our standard tow haul modes, eco modes, and sports mode for that great track performance driving we love from Ford. You can also activate your adaptive steering, your adaptive cruise right here, as well as your lane keeping and your blind spot. All of that is visible with your mirrors, blind spot. Your lane keeping is visible right here in the center. This is the new 2021 digital center productivity stack. So it is, as opposed to your old analog stack. 2021 F-150 Lariat, we've got equipped the Pro Trailer Assist right here. With the help of a harness, we're gonna be able to hook a sensor up to our trailers, and it's actually gonna turn this into the center wheel here. We're gonna turn this instead and back up our trailer all that much easier as far as trailer towing, as well as our trailer tow modes and our Pro Trailer Assist. We also have this integrated trailer brake, which just makes it so easy and is actually required by law for towing those heavy loads. You of course have your USBs, your USB-Cs, and push of a button is gonna make our center console so much more smooth. When you want an F-150, the most popular, the best-selling truck in America, you're gonna come down to J.C. Lewis Ford Statesboro. We've got them on the lot and we can order them whatever you need. Talk to Jake Fry, the car guy, Walker Paul Tetters, J.C. Lewis Ford Statesboro. We'll see you soon.